My hair braided to Salon in Lagos. 7,000 naira. This is the before. You can be it. My friend. This is the before. That's Godwin back there. This roughness, but it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be pretty.
Why are you taking videos?
YouTube.
For YouTube?
Yeah.
Life of a celebrity. Life of a celebrity. Life.
So this is the finished product. The hair and it's coiled on the end. Fishtail, I guess is what you call these, fishtail braids. And my nails. My nails. It was 5,000 for the hair, then 2,000 for each bag of hair. So 7,000 there to get the fish tail braids, and then 1,000 there plus 500 for the 2 fingers I got done with jewels. So 1,500 there for the fingernails and toenails. My toenails are polished as well. Just plain pink for the toenails. Yeah. And but that's my other hand. So yeah, that's what I got. Film him, but you can't see him. I'm trying to film dragonflies over. He gonna go. He's catching my head. There's tons of dragonflies, but I don't know, y'all can't really see them. Y'all see them somewhat, but they everywhere. Like everywhere. Look at, crazy. What in the heck is going on? My attempt at do some the crayfish nurse. I have some assistants, but kind of do some Egusi. Got the beef over here with the stockfish, the cod, original cod stockfish, and other things. Yeah, we're gonna see how this turns out. So this is the finished cassava fufu and the Egusi. Let me see how to put the flavor. The Egusi. I have to stir that. It's done cooking. According to him, it's done cooking. That's the Egusi, and this is the cassava fufu. So that is the finished product, yo. Boiling it a little more, kind of, you know, dry down on the red oil, just a little more boiling on the Egusi, just a little bit.